So today I am going to teach about machine learning. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. Actually, what is machine learning means? The machine is automatically learn from the data, and using the learned data is going to make a prediction decision. So this is called machine learning. So how the machines can learn using a 3-step. First, taken as a raw data as an input. From this data, then we can apply the abstraction. Then third, we can apply the generalization. So this is the machine learning. So types of machine learning. The machine learning is classified into 3 categories. The first one is supervised learning. The second one is unsupervised learning. The third one is reinforcement learning. Supervised learning itself, once again, it is divided into 2 categories. One is classification, then another one is a regression. Unsupervised learning itself is divided into 2 categories. The first one is clustering, the second one is associate analysis. So first take down the supervised learning. So it is also called predictive learning. Actually, this is the machine learning model gets trained on using a labeled data set. This is called supervised learning. So in supervised learning, the sample label data are provided to the machine learning system for training, and the system then predicts the output based on the training data. Examples of supervised learning. So here consider a scenario predicting the result of a game, predicting whether tumor is malignant or benign, predicting the price of domains like real estate stocks, classifying text such as classifying a set of emails as spam or non-spam. The second one is types of supervised learning. The first one is classification, the second one is regression. So classification, if we are predicting categorical target variable which represent either a class or discrete labels, this is called classification. Example, image classification, prediction of disease, wind loss prediction of games, prediction of natural calamity like earthquake, flood, recognition of handwriting. Regression. The second one is predicting continuous target variable which represent a numerical variable. This is called regression. Predicting the price of a house based on its size, location and amenities, forecasting the sales of a product. The regression demand forecasting and retail. Actually, in regression algorithm, learn to make the input features to a continuous numerical variable. The second category is unsupervised learning algorithm. So here there is no need for supervision. We are not using a labeled training data. We are using unlabeled training data for our model. It means unsupervised machine learning. The machine is trained using the unlabeled data set, and the machine predicts the output without any supervision. The primary goal of unsupervised learning is often to discover hidden pattern, similarity, clusters within the data. Example, consider that you have a data set that contains information about the purchases you made from the shop. Through clustering, the algorithm can group the same purchasing behavior among you and other customers, which reveals potential customers without predefined label. This type of information can help businesses get target customers as well as identify outliers. The second one is types of unsupervised learning. Here it is 2 types. One is clustering and association. So in clustering, the process of grouping data points into clusters based on their similarity. This technique is useful for identifying patterns and relationships in data without the need for labeled example. An example of clustering algorithm is grouping the customer by their purchasing behavior. Association, here is discovering a relationship between items in a data set. It identifies the rules that indicate the presence of one item multiples the presence of another item with a specific probability. The main aim of this algorithm is to find the dependency of one data item on another data item and map those variables according so that it can generate maximum profit. This algorithm mainly applied in market basket analysis, web usage mining, continuous prediction. a learning method that interacts with the environment by producing action and discovering error. Trial and error delay are the most relevant characteristics of reinforcement learning. In this technique, the model content. The model keeps on increasing the its performance using reward feedback to learn the behavior pattern. Reinforcement learning works on a feedback-based process in which an AI agent automatically explores its surrounding by hitting a trial and tracking action, learning from experience